मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग स्ट्रिंग्स चैप्टर के एमसीक्यू को देखेंगे, ठीक है। तो एमसीक्यू में आउटपुट फाइंडिंग क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकता है और आता ही है हमेशा से, तो इसको थोड़ा ट्राई करते हैं। देखो, मेथड दैट कन्वर्ट्स स्ट्रिंग टू अपर केस, टू अपर केस कैर, इसके बाद है टू अपर केस स्ट्रिंग, टू अपर केस। तो ये सारा फंक्शंस, पूरा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ही केस सेंसिटिव है, तो तुमको वो केस को भी सेंस करना होगा, ठीक है। तो इसमें कौन सा होगा? टू अपर केस ए। ये सी नहीं होगा, कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है। इसके अंदर ब्रैकेट में पैरेंथेसिस में स्ट्रिंग नहीं लिखा जाता। वी डोंट राइट स्ट्रिंग इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, वी राइट स्ट्रिंग बिफोर द फंक्शन, any string dot to uppercase. So A will be the correct answer. Second one, system dot out dot println good dot concat day. Concat, what does it do? It will attach both the words without any space. So A, good day, there is a space, this is in small letters. C is the correct answer, good day. G and D are capital and no space is there. C correct है। देन नंबर 3, इसको देखो, A इक्वल टू 56.0, B इक्वल्स टू 94.0, ओके। देन डबल C इक्वल टू डबल डॉट पार्स डबल A इज कन्वर्टेड टू डबल टाइप, डबल D इक्वल्स टू डबल डॉट, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक इज देयर, ओके। double dot pass double B, so B will also get converted to double type. Then system dot out dot println C plus D, okay. So both will be added, so 56 plus 94, what will be the answer? 150.0, B will be the correct answer, okay. Then number 4, what will Lucknow dot substring 0,4 print? So starting from 0 going till 4. So how does substring works? It goes till 3 only, one less than the last position number. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So LUCK 0, 1, 2, 3. So B will be the correct option. What will be the return type of the method length? Int, char, boolean or string? So it will be int, because it returns a number. Number 6, what will be the return type of the method caret? So that will be B, again char, not A. In A, char is starting with capital C, so that is incorrect, so B. Then number 7, string is of which type? Primitive, non-primitive, composite, both B and C. So it will be both B and C, option D, non-primitive and composite. In a string, what is the position of the second character? 0, 1, 2 or 3? So it will be 1. We start the counting a position number from 0, so second character 1 पे होगा. If a string has n number of characters, then what will be the position of last character? N number of characters are there, then last character will be n minus 1, A, because we start from 0. So if n is 5, then the last character will be at 4. If a string has n number of characters, what will be the position of second last character? That will be C, n minus 2, okay. Then number 11, string can be concatenated with the help of which method? Concat, this one A starting with capital C, B concat, small letters, trim or attach. So B will be the correct answer, concat, okay. Then number 12, string can also be concatenated with an operator. Identify the correct operator. Plus, into, division, modulus division. So it will be plus sign. Actually, with the help of plus sign, we can attach any value with string. Like string plus string will also get concatenated. String plus character also, string plus number also. Number 13. A method that is used to find the position number of the last occurrence of any character in a string. Last occurrence of any character. So that will be our option B, last index of. Okay. Index of is for the first occurrence. Ends with is different function. It will check whether the string is ending with the given letters or not. So last index of B is the correct option. Find the odd one out. इसमें odd कौन सा है? Ends with, starts with, equals and trim. So which one will be the odd one out? You have to think it very carefully. C होगा answer. Equals या trim होगा. ऐसे सोचता है सब कोई. Equals कंपेयर करेगा, trim रिमूव करेगा blank spaces को, starts with, ends with चेक करेगा whether the string is starting and ending with the given letters or not. So actually equals starts with or ends with A, B, C. These three will only check. They will give the answer in terms of Boolean data type, and trim will give the answer in string type. It will remove the blank spaces from the string, from the starting and the ending of the string, and give the output after removing the blanks. So its output is of different type, string type. Our A, B, C का output है Boolean type. So D is the odd one out. Number 15. Assertion. A length function is the only function in string which starts counting from 1. Correct? बाकी सारा function 0 से start करता है because they count the position number, and length count the number of characters in the string. Reasoning because it has to count the number of characters. So reasoning is also correct. So A will be the correct answer. Assertion and reasoning both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation. Then number 16, case study. A compare to method is used to find the greater or smaller string with the help of ASCII values. It returns the output in integer type. So read the paragraph above and choose the wrong statement about it. It is a Boolean type method. This is only wrong. Option A is the correct answer. But let us see the other options also. B, it is a string type method. Okay. C, it can also find whether strings are equal or not. D, it considers the case while comparing the strings. Okay. तो केस तो कंपेयर करता ही है, इक्वल अनइक्वल भी चेक करता है. इट इज़ ए स्ट्रिंग टाइप मेथड ट्रू है क्योंकि दो स्ट्रिंग को कंपेयर करता है. सो ए इज़ द रॉन्ग आंसर. इट इज़ ए बुलियन टाइप मेथड. इट कैन नॉट बी बुलियन टाइप बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट रिटर्निंग ट्रू और फॉल्स. इट इज़ रिटर्निंग द आंसर इन नेगेटिव नंबर, पॉजिटिव नंबर और ज़ीरो. ओके, so this is all about strings chapter. Now we have completed MCQs, children. Okay, so study all the MCQ thoroughly. It will help you a lot in the mock test and particularly in the board exam. Okay, and similar types of questions only you will get in the board exam also. So this will be quite helpful for you. And after this I will be uploading some videos for discussing the previous year question papers. Theory and programming both I will do. Okay, so you will get the idea of that also. Thank you.